I'm Junxi Chen, and working at the China National Center for Food Safety Risk Assessment. According to the scientific definition of food safety or unsafe food, is there a chemical or microbial hazard in the food that could cause harmful health effects to consumers, or at least has the potential of causing harmful health effects to consumers. The food business are trying to make more money out of their food products. So there's a trend of a very common practice that's called food fraud, or in China we call it food adulteration. That means to add something into food for economic reasons. So I'm fully agree with the newly developed term called economically motivated adulteration, EMA. Melamine is one of the internationally well-known case. Melamine was added into raw milk in order to make up the nitrogen content that's equal to the protein content. Raw milk added with water, so it's diluted with a lower level of protein. So the melamine is a chemical added because the usual way is to analyze the content of nitrogen, and they use a mathematical equation to come up with the protein content. So this is the typical. We have again quite a serious issues, like to use the industrial methanol to replace the hard liquor. However, most of the food fraud cases or adulterations, they only cause the quality problems, no health consequences. But because food fraud is not only a safety issue, it's more related to the credibility of food producers and also the confidence of consumer to the government control. All the regulatory agencies around the world, including in China, now are taking up this food fraud or food adulteration very seriously, very high priority in their agenda.